Hi everyone, it's Kim from Affordably Crafty, and today I have a crochet found object. You ever have something that gets suddenly disappeared from your craft room and then you find it months later? So that's what's happened to me. I was looking and looking and looking for this, and then I could not find it, and then I found it a couple days ago when I was reorganizing some of the yarn room, and I went, OMG, I never even opened that. So if you're new here, welcome. You're gonna want to see this, trust me. My name's Kim, and my channel is all about learning how to stretch your craft dollar and be affordably crafty. Please like, share, and subscribe. So for those of you who know what this is from Chemknits Creations. You can see the name down there, Chemknits Creations. This is from Rebecca from Chemknits. If you're not familiar with Rebecca, she is amazing. If you are into learning any kind of natural dyeing or other types of dyeing, she is your girl. She will lay it out from the simple steps up to the most complicated stuff, and she is just amazing. I really enjoy watching her even if I'm not planning on dyeing yarn, just because it's so interesting to see what the finished product looks like. So twice a year she does mini skein sets. One is during Hanukkah and the other one is in the summer. So this is the summer mini skein series number 1. Now I had initially planned on opening this along with Rebecca and watching the videos at the same time. So that didn't happen because this got disappeared. I think what happened is one of my kids put it in a box that I didn't know had this in it. And then when I was cleaning, I found it because there's no way I would have randomly put it in that box. It's okay though, because I didn't watch the dyeing video of number 1. So this is going to be a complete surprise to me too. So she has this nice canvas pouch project bag that has a ball of yarn in the sun, and then it has Chemknits Creations on the bottom. And then there also is a handmade stitch marker that she made. And this is really cute. It's like a glass of lemonade. Can you see that? Like it's a little glass of lemonade. And I appreciate that she used the lobster claw clasp, a big one. You can see that, so that it's good for crocheters and knitters. So that's a really, really cool thing. I don't know what, it's like a little piece of rubber here. And then all the pieces of fruit. This is pretty cool. All right. I don't know how she did that, but it's pretty awesome. So I'm going to put it over here on my star. It has some of my nicer stitch markers on it. Oh, there we go. You ready to open this? I'm super excited. Ooh, breaking the seal. Okay. So it is nicely wrapped up. Oh my goodness, this is such a big bag. It's really nice canvas too. Nice bag, Rebecca. Okay, let's see what we have. Ooh, it's wrapped in tissue paper. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's see what we got. Oh my goodness. Whoa! That's crazy pretty. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's awesome. Okay, sorry. Yarngasm over here. Ooh. Wow. So I was honestly expecting, I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting that. Yeah. Oh my god, it's even more beautiful than I thought it would be. Okay, so wow. Wow. So the first mini skein is just this luscious, beautiful yellow color. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. It's like the sun. This is like summer yellow, summer beautiful. Is that not pretty? Oh my God, it's beautiful. And it's got some like bright yellow and then this like daffodil color. And then there's a couple pieces that aren't as dark. Wow, that's really pretty. Wow, that's beautiful. Wow, that's the first one. Second one is a bunch of different hues of orange. How cool this is. Look at the different hues of orange. Is that not just luscious? Oh my goodness, I just love that. Ugh. So it's got like peaches and like a darker color orange here, and then some pieces that are more like tangerine. Like this one here looks more like tangerine to me. Oh, this is beautiful. Wonderful. Look how cool those are together. Okay. Now, this is some beautiful color reds. Look at how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. Wow. I'm just going to keep saying wow a million times. Look how cool that is. All the different color hues of red. How pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, so pretty. So this one has like a cherry red, has like a strawberry color, and then like a lightish red, but we're not bordering on pink. Just like, look at that piece right there. How pretty is that? Oh, so amazing. That is my third one. Okay. Then we got the ye old color, which I may make something for my daughter out of. Yep. It be pink, folks. You'll know how I feel about pink, but I can appreciate this beauty, even though I'm not a pink fan. How pretty that is. Oops. Drop my skein. I mean, look at that dark pink right there. And it goes to like, oh my God, just so much prettiness. I mean, look how pretty that is. Oh, crazy. It's crazy. And then, ooh. Rebecca, this is my favorite. These colors are my jam. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. What am I gonna make out of this? Woohoo, that's amazing. Wow. Okay. Look at these beautiful colors of purple and blue. And like violet. Look at the other side. How beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so luscious. Just like, oh, that one right there. Look at all the different colors in that little piece right there. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my God. All the pretties. It's all the pretties. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. So wow, thank you, Rebecca. These are amazing. And for those of you that don't know, Rebecca is from Massachusetts, just like me. So I'm happy to support a fellow Massachusetts yarn person, artist, dyer. I will link Rebecca's channel down below. I also link her Etsy store where you can buy yarn that she has dyed on her YouTube videos. Everything from her longer dye-alongs that are like 2 to 3 hours to her dye pot weeklies and everything in between. Yes, this is beautiful. So this is all sock yarn. What do you guys think I should make out of this? Should I just suck it up, Buttercup, and put the pink in there anyways? What do you guys think? I know, I can't believe I just said that. That came out of my mouth. But yeah, I feel like these guys shouldn't be broken up. So I've got 100 yards of sock weight. Or sorry, 100 grams of sock weight. Or 100 yards? I don't remember. What do you guys think I should make out of these beauties? to show you them all together if I can hold them the right way. There we go. What do you guys think? What should I make out of this beautiful, beautiful yarn? Because I need some tips because I don't usually work with sock yarn. So beautiful. It's like a sock bib. It's like a rainbow bib. Oh, this just makes me want to think of spring and summer. I miss spring and summer. What do you guys think? Ugh. So, and also just a tip, the way that you order this is, I don't remember when actually I ordered this. It came out in June. I want to say maybe May, a couple months before, that there was a pre-order live where Rebecca went live and was like, hey, they're up in the Etsy store, and I could not get there fast enough to get the DK. Sold out like in a hot flash minute. I was able to get the sock yarn, but the sock yarn sold out in like 15 minutes. Then I think she put up some more sets later on. But oh my goodness, this is so, so beautiful. Oh, love, love, love. So yeah, let me know what you think I should make out of this Rainbow Beautiful Summer Skein mini series from Rebecca from Chemknits. I don't know, ideas welcome. And this was a early birthday present for myself since my birthday's in July. Yes, so please like, share, and subscribe so your friends can be affordably crafty too. Have a creative day, everyone. Bye-bye.